Ethereum, the 4-hour chart. So what Ethereum has done within this trading channel here, so this channel goes back a whole year, right? I mean, this is maybe even longer than a year, like almost 16 months at this point. This goes back to almost 2020. So this is December 2020 right here. So I guess it technically starts in early 2021. So this trading channel has held up for a long time. And right now what you have going on with Ethereum, which I kind of think it does support Team Green here, that their continuation to the upside is, you had, I mean, the 1/4 zone, this orange, so this is the bottom, so 0, this is 1/4, this is the midpoint, the point of control or halfway line, like half court or, you know, on a soccer field or soccer pitch, whatever you call it, halfway through. This is the 3/4 line, top of the range. You had a nice support area with higher lows using this as support, and you're getting consolidation just under the next resistance point, which is not that's not bearish. That is not bearish, but a lot of indicators are saying this needs to come. Take this moment to give me a quick thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, check out the Discord community within the description section, follow me on Twitter @𝘃𝐢𝐬𝐜𝐵𝐝 with the number 2 afterward, and if online community is not your thing, but you want exclusive content above and beyond what I offer on YouTube, click the join button right below this video, another video will pop up describing your options to you. Down. For example, typically, so let's go to the 4-hour RSI. On Ethereum, structural analysis is disagreeing with some of the indicators. And I have stressed on my channel during choppy times and to my Discord community, I have stressed that during choppy times when there's no clear trend, because right now the weekly is in a no trend. The daily time frame is in an uptrend, just barely, recently, but the weekly is still in a no trend, and we obviously are in a choppy area. During choppy times, structural analysis, at least during this choppy time, gets things right a little bit more in indicators. You need to rely less on especially shorter time frame indicators because it's too choppy for it, right? So on Ethereum, you have a rejection, getting kicked out of the bullish control zone on the 4-hour here, going under the EMA, getting rejected again by the bullish control zone after getting kicked out of it, and essentially kind of staying under its moving average. But over the last 4 hours, it's gotten above and used it as support. So it is starting to change. But at that time, when I was on Team Bear, maybe back here, I saw this high and a tick down. I was like, yeah, I think that's it. I think it needs to pull back. And you can see how that disagrees with these. Let me even go down to the 15-minute chart here. That totally disagrees with the structural analysis that I just said, that the bottom of the 1/4 zone was perfectly used as support, higher low, proved this quarter line as support, and is now consolidating under the next resistance, which consolidating under a resistance, whether it's the weekly 10 or whatever, it doesn't matter what resistance it is, that is not bearish. It typically plays out in a bullish sense. And it totally disagrees with it. And so it's another kind of interesting way that during choppy times, the different strategies you use to analyze charts, you're not going to get full-on agreement. Now, if Bitcoin does just keep flying up, then everything's going to look bullish, and then after a while, you'll start getting bearish divergences. Then the bearish divergences will start disagreeing with all the continuation signals. But typically, there is a time when price just starts screaming up, everything's just bullish, no bearish divergence, nothing. And those are the times where trading is a lot easier because the direction is a hell of a lot clearer. But that also can be the time, unfortunately, when you get your flash crashes.